Morning, YouTube. Morning. Say good morning, Sierra. Sierra's here getting that money. Get that money. So what am I working on? I don't even know. I have a 730. I need a headlight fixed. It's a Jeep Grand Cherokee with 72,000 miles on it. I smell antifreeze. Put the headlights out. This is a 20, so 2020, just under 70,000 miles on it. The antifreeze smell is coming from a leaky water pump. It's either the radiator, water outlet, or the water pump at this mileage, and anything past that would be the engine oil cooler. But this video is about how to change the driver's side headlight bulb. And they don't make it easy on any car today, so don't be shocked when you go in to any professional repair place and they tell you it's $200 to replace one bulb.
Yep.
Right? So you have to take the whole air box out here, which is pretty simple. Loosen this screw, pop this tube off, disassemble the top of the air filter housing with these clips, pull the intake snorkel out. The air box just pops up, so if you want to lubricate it with some soapy water before you do that, it'll make it a little easier. Just pull it out, maneuver it around these cables, and then you'll reach inside of here and you will see a little rubber nooner. Looks like a diaphragm. Know what that is? So you get that out, and then you're going to go inside of here, and what did I do with the bulb? Here's the bulb. And then this is an H11 bulb, and you're going to reach your hand in there in an uncomfortable position, and you're going to turn it and remove it. And then you're going to inspect the plug to make sure there's no crusties in the wiring side and nothing's melted. And then you're going to put a new bulb in and see if it works. It's that simple. Thanks for watching.